Because I'm looking at the dollar index, 103.33, up by 0.12%. That's about 18:30 GMT. That is also in play today when you consider what you see later on today's stock market in Europe. Let's get back to Kenya, where the largest banking group, that's Equity Bank, on Tuesday announced a robust earnings figures for the first half of this year. The lending giant posted a 26% uptick in loans. Total assets went up 23% and deposits stronger by 21% in the period under review. Let's get more in the investors and press briefing addressed by the bank CEO, James Mwangi.
Performance is not always looked at growth in profitability. It's what is the return on equity. Performance is measured in return of equity. So it means that for those who have invested in equity, despite the challenging times, their wealth has grown by 27%. And that really then reflects that maybe the best option in the marketplace, because even government is giving 17% in terms of treasury bonds. Now, looking at the position of all that balance sheet from a regulatory point of view, we see efficiency in the way the yields on loans, government securities, and earning assets have continued to increase, so we are managing that macro turbulence very well, that the prices don't adversely affect and don't threaten the bank. So the yields, as we can see, there is an increase on yields on loans to 11.9 from 11.4, yield on government to 11.1 from 10%, and yield on interest earning asset from 9.7 all the way to 10.7, showing the sustainability of the model. It's difficult times, but the model continues to reflect the strength, it reflects the efficiency, it reflects the strategy that has been deployed despite the very steep cost of funds and cost of deposits that we have seen almost doubling. And what we have preyed on is the ability. So it's not just the engine that is very efficient, but the buffers that financial institutions need to have during difficult times are at their best. We have seen the strength of management, the strengthening of the management with greater experience, knowledgeable people to help manage this, the environment.